Good morning, traders. This is Juan Maldonado from the Elliott Wave Street, and as always, it's a pleasure to start the week with the best energy and some wave counts from our membership. This is the euro. It's one of my favorites for the week because I want to sell the euro once it makes a higher high plus a reversal. The higher high is not enough. We need to have the price coming up here plus a reversal pattern, head and shoulders, bearish engulfing candles, moving average systems, whatever, to tell us that this is the end. So in the meantime, I'm looking for a day trade today during the session where this will be my wave 1, and I'm looking for a wave 2 that could retrace around 117.90 area. I'm looking to see that in a 3-wave sequence, slowing down at the end. And right there, I want to go long, and I want to target the previous high. So it's just a little day trade, the one I'm looking for. Hope I get the retrace, because if I don't get the retrace and the price just continues to the upside, I'm not going to take my trade. But if I have the retrace, I'm going to take the long trade today. A quick trade back to the high. If the price goes up here and it starts having some trouble, then I'm going short, and this is going to be my big trade for the week, one of the big trades for the week, because I have others in mind. And my target on the euro is the 116.12. Actually, is my magic number coming to the from the volume profile technique. If you want to learn volume profile with me, I'm doing a free course next week. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up. But that's my magic level, 116.12, and then I'm going long for a big swing trade. So that's the beauty of using Elliott Wave. That is not a standalone solution. However, it solves a lot of issues of your trading, because it's a good market context. It's a technique that helps us to know where we are, help us to know what's the plan, help us to know the high probability scenarios. Let's have a look now at the S&P. The S&P is going up again, and before we check the lower time frames, let me show you my longer term analysis. This is the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, it seems that this week we are going to continue higher. We are going to make the high above the 3,600. You know that has been my target. That I was looking this leg down as a corrective wave, and I was looking for the high. And that's what the wave count was telling. But you know what? I didn't take this trade. I wasn't able to trigger. I'm going to explain you why I didn't trigger the trade. But the plan, I have a clear plan of buying here and jump into the trade, but I didn't take this trade. But look, the wave count is working fantastic. The direction of the market is working just as expected. But in my personal strategy, my setup inside wasn't that clear. I'm going to tell you why in a second. But for example, if you have the same wave count, it can have different outputs, because you can apply your strategy and maybe you will be able to jump, and I didn't able to jump with my strategy, right? So those things are possible, but the direction is a high probability. And when you have the direction of the market, trust me, you have more than 50% of your work done to have high probability trades. All right, so let's talk about the future. Looking for a higher high on the S&P. Once we are at this market extreme, is going to be a really important area, because if the price has trouble and it starts reversing, we can validate this wave count. But if the price, for example, that's possible, and that's really possible, the price comes up here to resistance, and we have a huge candle green coming to the 4,000 area, for example. If that's the case, well, and if we are long, we hold it long, we keep the long, because anyway, I'm planning to continue buying on dips. But if that's the case, we keep the long trade. Now, I would like to see, I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but I would like to see the move back to the 3,000 area. That would be a great gift to buy at that level. But I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible. Because if, with this small move, and the Fed already starts doing a stimulus and talking about the stimulus and all the things that you already know from the fundamental world, so what could happen to bring the price back to the 3,000? It's almost impossible. If we have another leg down, they are going to do the same. They are going to provide more money. They are going to go out to the market and buy more things. So this is likely more that if we have a retrace, the price will continue like this and will continue like this and will continue like this and will continue like this. So that's actually the highest probability now because the Fed. And if that's the case, if we have continuations, my alternative weekly is to move this wave 4 here and call it the end of wave 4, and we will be in the wave 5. And we just continue buying on dips, buying on dips, buying on dips, buying on dips, buying on dips. And yeah, eventually one day we can have one big sell-off as always. And then the market recovers and it repeats the story and repeats the story, right? So that's the thing on the higher time frame. Now let's go to the lower time frames. Let's have a look at the hourly chart, because I want to share with you why I missed my trade, why I couldn't trigger my trade. We have this leg down. I was looking for the retrace and another leg down to buy here, anywhere here on this area. Right here was my buying area. So I was looking for the price to give me the discount in order to trigger my trade. I knew that the direction was up after that, but price have a different plan. Clearly, it went up, strongly up, so I couldn't. That's why I missed my entry, waiting for the perfect setup. And this is a great example because let's say that I tell you with a high probability that we are going to the 3,600 area or 3,500 first, and you are here. You can do that back test with your system. And I tell you, I think we're going to have this 3-wave sequence, and then we're going long, and in my personal case, I'm going to buy a here. Right? So you can go to your system and check if there was a reason to buy here. Because on mine wasn't. The price at the moment was extremely bearish. You know, that we didn't have any divergence, we didn't have any reversal pattern, anything. Like something like this, right? So this is a great case of a study. You can go back to your charts and check, even if knowing that we were going higher, if this thing was a reversal signal for you. Sometimes it happens, you know, sometimes it is not that easy to jump into the trades. And let's have a look at the dollar index. Oh, the dollar this week looking for a higher high below the 93 area with the stimulus package coming. Of course, we're going to have a weaker US dollar, so looking for a lower low, and then once we are there at this area, I'm going to check if this makes sense to have a bounce to the upside. For now, I'm bearish on the dollar following the leg down. If you want to receive this fantastic analysis every day, visit now ElliottWaveStreet.com, click on the membership tab, and you will find the membership tab first, the membership page where you can pick your Forex, stocks, or full access plan. We are offering these days the trial for $19 the first month and $75 per month, so you can pick your plan, Forex, stocks, or both, the full access, and you will start getting my daily videos, live market analysis videos with trading plans, with trade ideas, with these high probability wave counts that I do manually every day. And also, I have more news. Next week, we are having our live course, free, from October 19th to the 21st. Next week, we're starting on Monday, our free webinar with the power of a volume profile, price action, and Elliott Wave. So if you visit our website, ElliottWaveStreet.com, you are going to find the banner on top Then after clicking on the banner, you are going to see the event page where you can sign up, email, name, that's it. You will get your access, you will get your recordings, and here you will see the program. We have 3 masterclass course. The first one is the volume profile. Second, my price action secrets. Really good, this class combined with volume profile. And the secrets to success, that is an introductory to the Elliott wave, plus some tips to improve your trading. So this is a great event. Sign up. Also, you are going to have for 3 days my live analysis videos, the same that my clients are getting every day for 3 days. All right, traders. So as always, it's a pleasure to start the week with some trading ideas. I'll see you in the event. I'll see you in the membership. Have a fantastic trading week. Take care. Bye-bye.